Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys one of my hair secrets, one of my DIY homemade hair mayonnaise. Is one of my regimen you use to grow your hair, afro natural hair, thick and long. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients we're gonna be using for this DIY. Coconut milk, 2 eggs, honey, castor oil, extra virgin olive oil, and amla oil. You can also make use of any healthy oil of your choice. You scoop only the condensed part of the coconut milk, that's the top. The watery part is not needed because it will give an undesired consistency for the mayonnaise. You can as well achieve this easily by putting the coconut milk into the fridge few hours before commencing the mix. Into the coconut milk, we'll be adding 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of amla oil. Give the mixture a thorough mix to get a homogeneous mixture, making sure that everything mixes and blends well. You can as well do this with a blender, but that will make it more watery, so it's more advised doing it with a spoon to get a more thicker mixture. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, protein, and vitamins C, E, B3, B5, and B6. It slows down hair loss, restores dry hair and scalp, and gets rid of dandruff, also as a detangler. It boosts hair follicle and promotes hair growth. Coconut milk acts as a brilliant hair conditioner to provide softer, thicker, and longer hair. The mixture is done. I'll be pouring it into an applicator bottle for easier application on the hair. Yeah, our hair mayonnaise is ready for use. Here, I already washed and detangled my hair. It was well shampooed and detangled. I will be parting it into 4 for easy application to help me work easier with the hair strands. Eggs are hair superfood rich in nutrients. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs. These nutrients help keep the hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make the strands look sleek and slimy. Honey is rich in antioxidant properties, which enables it to reduce hair breakage, hair loss, and keep your hair strong and healthy. It also contains antibacterial properties, which prevent scalp infections that can leave the hair scalp itchy, reddish, or swollen, which will adversely affect hair growth. Honey also plays a huge role in keeping the hair glowy and shiny. All the hair oils used here are also healthy and beneficial to the hair. You carefully walk all through your hair, detangling the hair in the process carefully. Please take it easy with the hair, if not, it will break off. Treat your hair like a baby. Carefully detangling, spreading the stuff, making sure that it spreads throughout the hair. And this can be very messy, but you got to do it once you want to reap the benefits of all the huge nutrients in this hair mayonnaise. Walk your hair down upwards, making sure the tips of the hair get enough of the mayonnaise and also the roots. For the tips to be refreshed because it's the oldest part, and the roots to absorb it to produce more hair. Okay? So you walk all through the hair carefully, making sure that all the strands got the benefit of this hair food. You don't need gloves to do this because this product refreshes your palm, making your hand looking younger and healthy. Afterwards, I trimmed out my split ends. Leaving them there will cause more hair breakage because they get to tangle and get the hair splitting in the process. So I trimmed out all the split ends on the tip of my ends. When I'm done trimming, I head the hair together. Yeah, in this method, putting them up a bit so they won't be dripping. Yeah, then I covered it with plastic wrap, a plastic bag, to keep it warm and to help it work, to help the product work on the hair. Yeah, and I had this for 2 hours. You can just put it on, wrap it up. If you want, you can still tie a towel over it. You can also use a blow dryer or sit under a dryer for heat to react, for your hair to absorb it more. So I did this. I had it for 2 hours, and after I washed it off, and the hair was feeling well filled and healthy, looking more fuller, more thicker, longer and shinier. So this is good for your hair. This is good for your hair. This is just a real hair super food, guys. If you can make it for up to 2 hours, don't have it for less than 30 minutes. Let's see the result after I've washed it off.
So guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? I saw a big difference from my hair before the mayonnaise and now. So guys, this is real. This is real. This is real. This is good. This is good, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching this video till this moment. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Linda Michaels TV, and hit the notification bell for you to be getting notified in any new upload. Also follow me in my Facebook page, Linda_Michael, for more updates on health, wellness, and natural beauty. Thanks. See you later, guys. Bye. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.